Hey, how you doing?
I'm doing pretty good, PeaRoy.
Well, I've been busy trying to kill these dead things. Bees that's been swarming everywhere. I know you. They've been able to see them and all.
I absolutely have.
Well, look here. Here's what we got going on.
All right.
Yeah. Well, I've heard some good jokes and everything, and they were sent in.
Oh.
And I'm gonna do mine first.
That sounds great. Wish you would.
All right. Well, look here. This first one here. These first three they were sent in by Tammy.
Okay.
Now y'all know Tammy because she's always sending these in to us.
Yeah.
Anyway, and the next two's gonna be by Kenneth Harris.
Oh, Kenneth. Okay.
Who is a long-time watcher.
Absolutely.
So, anyway,
thank you, Kenneth.
Thank you, Tammy and Kenneth. I appreciate it.
All right.
Here's how they go.
Go ahead.
This is from Tammy.
Okay.
Where do boats go when they get sick?
Where do boats go when they get? I don't know.
Oh, they go to the dock.
I kind of figured it.
Yeah, they go to the dock.
Yeah, I kind of figured it. All right, go give me that.
All right, here's good. Have you heard about the elevator business?
I hadn't heard nothing.
Well, I heard it's got its ups and downs.
Okay.
The elevator. That's right. Elevator.
That's ought to be.
All right, here's Tammy's last one.
Okay.
Why was the math book so sad?
Oh, I don't know. Why was the math book sad?
Well, because it just had so many problems.
Oh.
You kind of already had that figured out, didn't you?
All right, what about Kenneth?
All right, these are from Kenneth.
Okay, go ahead.
You know, you can tell a whole lot about a woman by just looking at her hands.
Looking at her hands.
Yeah. If they're around your neck, she's probably mad.
Yeah, she probably
That's
is.
gooder than Ken.
Yeah, that's right.
And here's the last one by Ken.
Okay.
I heard a woman say that I'm going to be married to you and love you even in the afterlife.
Don't say. Well, that's sweet.
The old man looked up at her and said, "No, we had a deal now. That was until death do us part." I've been in pain long enough.
That's not good. That's not good.
Or I've suffered long enough. Ain't that funny?
Right.
All right. Well, anyway, that was.
That's good, Ken.
Here's my long one. One time there was this feller,
Okay.
and he went into the burger joint, and he looked up there on the sign, and the sign says, "Our French fries are fat-free."
Oh, fat-free.
And he's a, pretty healthy feller, and he said, "You know what?" He said, "Give me some of them fat-free French fries."
Okay. All right.
Feller said, "All right." So he watched the man, he dumped a whole bunch of French fries in the grease there. And when they was ready, he took them out, and they were dripping all over the place, had old grease all over the place, and flopped them down in his plate. And he said, "Well, wait a minute now. Now, you know these potatoes, they ain't fat-free." He said, "No, wait a minute." He said, "You didn't read the sign right. The potatoes you paying for, but the fat in them ain't free."
Oh. Yeah, that's fat-free, all right.
All right.
Goodness.
All right, now, Mr. Rick, you go ahead and tell yours.
Okay, thank you, Tammy and Kenneth. Anyway, what does a lawyer wear to work?
Well, I don't know. What does a lawyer wear to work?
A lawsuit.
Oh, now give me there.
All right. Why did the football player hire a lawyer?
I don't know.
Well, because he needed a defense.
Oh,
That's right.
That's funny. That's a good one. All right, go ahead and tell me there.
What do hogs use for cleaning?
What the hogs used to clean with?
Hogwash.
Oh, I should have figured that now. All right, give me your last one.
Well, I heard that there was this fella and he was bossy, and he went into a bar.
No, I guess not.
He ordered everybody around.
Oh, that's a good. You play.
What about the ad for the broken guitar? Yeah, I heard it came with no strings attached.
That's funny right there. You done that and called you a guitar
All right,
player.
I'll
I know
tell
it. All right, tell your last one.
Let's see here. So one time there was this feller, and he goes home, And he opens up his refrigerator, and there's a squirrel sleeping in there.
In the refrigerator.
He looked at that squirrel and pushed him and woke him up. And he said, "Hey, what are you doing in my refrigerator?"
Well, I'll say.
The old squirrel got up and rubbed his eyes and looked. He said, "Well, ain't this a Westinghouse?" And he said, "Yeah, it's a Westinghouse." And the squirrel said, "Well, I'm trying to west."
That's a good one.
All right, that's all I got.
I like that one. That's real good. All right, well, that's about it for today.
I'll see you
Thank
later.
you, Mr. Rick. That's about it for today, and I appreciate Kenneth and Tammy sending in them jokes to me. And if you want to send in your own jokes, I'll try to get them on there for you, and I'll blame you for them. Right. Okay. All right, well, look here. I love every one of you. So make sure you come back and watch Mr. Rich OAM Garage. He'll have to too. And then come on back. You know, I got my own channel now. It's right here. That's right. So you got to make sure you go see it too. All right? All right. We'll see y'all later.